Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or update your gender on the Instagram app using your PC, following the latest update. If you want your Instagram profile to reflect your identity more accurately, or you simply want to explore the new customization options, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This icon usually sits at the bottom of the menu and looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This is where you can manage all the details about your Instagram account. After you click on Settings, you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Edit Profile. This section lets you change your personal information, including your name, username, bio, and now your gender. Scroll down until you see the Gender section. Instagram has made it easier than ever to select the gender that best represents you. You can choose from the available options, or if you prefer, you can enter a custom gender. Take a moment to pick the option that feels right for you. Once you've made your selection, look for the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click on it to save your changes. Instagram will instantly update your profile with your new gender information. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your gender on Instagram using the app on your PC. This new update gives everyone more control over how they express themselves online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.